Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Well, today's objective, I'm gonna go to the gym right now. I just took a shower. Then, well, first I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna video that for you guys. Go to the gym and then go to the club later on tonight. I definitely think I might need to be renting a car the next time I get here. A lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions. Some people have been asking me like, why did I choose Mexico? And the quick and easy answer for that is that, you know, as a YouTuber, you have to always be searching, you know, different areas and different groups of people that, you know, you can gain support from. As much as I've been videoing in Jamaica for a very long time, you know, there are other people out there who, you know, are gonna like the lifestyle that we're trying to do here, and at the same time, you know, give you support. One thing that I've realized, which is true, a lot of Jamaican people say it all the time, which is, you know, people who have the most questions to ask never buy anything or never even show any support at all. I'm so happy, like right now, I'm able to actually see the people who are liking the videos. I can see how many times you've liked a YouTube video. One of the top ranked likers right now is Dope Chick TV. Yo, shout out to you. I have to give you a quick shout out for, you know, giving me support. And support for us as YouTubers is not, you know, monetary. It could be just liking the videos, sharing on the videos, commenting on the videos, and so on. Another person I have to shout out to is Priscilla Duhaney. Yo, big up yourself, girl. Like, she's one of those persons who, you know, have down days, and, you know, sometimes she always send a message or whatever on YouTube or Patreon and let me know, like, yo, boom, you know, I got you. So yeah, that's pretty much the reason why I've decided to come to Mexico, to try the food, meet new people, and at the same time expand, you know, gain other people that are going to be supporting the lifestyle, and at the same time, you know, inspire other people from different cultures. So that's pretty much the reason why I'm doing this. And just a quick FYI for those people who have a lot of questions, trust me, I do. I get a lot of questions from you guys all the time. Always first check the description box. Some people ask me, oh, what is Patreon? How do I sign up on Patreon? Like, check the description box. The Patreon link is in there. I did do a video on that. Also, if you want to know, like, you know, what camera am I using or what editing software, check the description box. I normally try to put as much information in there, sometimes tell you about a few things that, you know, that I might have missed saying in the video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But anyway, I'm gonna go out right now, get some food, and I'll be taking you guys with me. All right, so we are off. Yo, one quick tip that I'll tell you guys, for me, that I think works. When you get to somewhere new and you find like a good place to eat, yo, go back there a couple times, you know what I'm saying? Try it exactly what they have there, because you really don't want to go somewhere else and you have like a bad food experience. So I'm going back to this place again. But later on tonight, I'll go to another place, somewhere different. But this place I'm gonna go back. Today I'm gonna actually have what we call a torta. Yeah, it's like a type of Mexican sandwich or whatever the case is. Yo, shout out to Simply Amazing. I'm gonna paraphrase what she said in the comment just now. She said, what did you say? You're brave bad for you try food and even know what in it. Which pretty much means I'm pretty brave for eating food that I don't know what's inside of it. Quite frank, I'm a food lover. You feel me? Like, there's not much food that I don't like or I won't eat. You know, I really respect food, and I believe like people out there don't cook something that is disgusting normally. You feel me? So I'll eat the food, see what's inside of it, and then, you know, enjoy it. But so far, all the food that I've had has been pretty good. I've not been disappointed, and I hadn't had anything that's strange. And that's also a good thing when you travel too, because you don't want to really be disrespecting people's food culture. You know, you don't want to be eating something and you're like, ugh, you know what I'm saying? The music is beautiful, mommy. But anyway, you might realize, oh no, that's okay. You might realize that there's a food place right there behind me. It's just across the street from where I eat, but like, I like the people over there. Like, the lady over there has been so kind to me, and because of her kindness, like, I keep wanting to come back. And she's always like treating me with respect. You know, even though she doesn't speak much English, she always tries. And for me, that is like, she got my heart for that. Alright, I finally got back to where I'm at. Hola, he vuelto! Hola! I am back. I am back for your food, huh? What is that?
It's a meal With banana.
Milk and banana?
Esa, licuado.
Not cocoa chino. What's it called?
Guayaba?
No, there's a Mexican drink called coco chino. It's with vanilla and milk.
Yeah. Chocomil?
No, not chocomil. I can't remember. So you guys can see, like, you see why I enjoyed here. Like, she was like willing to like help me figure out what I was trying to say. I still haven't figured it out, but that's in a video when I went to the hot dog place the first night. That's the same drink I was asking about. So I'm getting a variation of that. It's gonna be with oats, milk, vanilla. Didn't have no bananas, but I'm gonna have strawberries with that. What was cool just now, like some of the customers were trying to help me too. Like, oh my gosh, I love it here. I love it here. She was saying like she wants to speak more English, and I'm like, mi más escuchas, no, más español. Pretty much, I was trying to say, I want to hear more escucha. Is that? Oh. Let me check that out. No, necesito escuchar más español, which means for me, I need to hear more Spanish, you know, so I can keep improving. But yeah, I'm just here by the street side. You can hear my drink being blended up as I wait here. Lettuce. So avocado, lettuce, tomato, onion.
Chipotle, do you want?
Of course, yeah. See. Chipotle for that nice spice. And there goes my drink. Thank you very much. Gracias. Wow. That's very good. Oh, it's a little bit windy out here today, but you guys can see my sandwich. Let's see. There it is. Nice, beautiful looking torta. As she said, there is beef, there is onions, there's avocado, lettuce, yeah, chipotle, tomatoes. Alright, let's try this torta and see how good it is. She was so kind enough to allow me to like get a little bit of filming in to show you guys how they make it. Ooh, wow. The sandwich, as you guys can see, that's all the insides there. The sandwich on the outside has like a nice sort of crisp on it. You can feel it as you hold it.
Carolina, ya nos vamos. Con el placer de haber comido aquí.
Wow.
Con usted.
Thank you.
Rica comida y sana.
¿Agüita?
Ya me la termino de tomar. Esta la pone para llevar para.
Wow.
¿Usted también, verdad?
Para mi hijo.
I just had the beef alone and like the beef.
O también, bueno, también tú te vas a llevar el agua.
What?
Esta la voy a tomar.
Es que yo ya le estaba diciendo a mi hijo que yo vendía comidas, pero no, ¿verdad? Porque para por su trabajo, otra casa, trabajo otra casa.
Oh my God.
¿Cómo creen?
You know you're expecting like beef, like a burger type of beef?
¿Qué creen que?
Better. Wow. Muy rico.
Ayer hubo cambios precisamente.
Wow.
Le di al chiquito para que se comprara. Ajá. Yo no puedo ir, desgraciadamente no puedo ir a la kermés a estar al pendiente.
Very good.
Y empiezan a mandar al grupo de papás. Una mamá.
Good.
Muy crudo está.
It's a YouTube vlog. So you make a video for YouTube, but you have to talk to it because you're talking to people. Yeah.
Oh, YouTuber.
Yeah.
Ah, es youtuber, ¿eh?
Sí,
Yeah. So I talk to it because I'm talking to the people who will watch.
So you recommend places?
Yeah. So
Where do you live?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica.
¿Y cómo está en YouTube? A ver, pregúntale. ¿Cómo lo buscamos?
How can we find you in YouTube?
It's SOAI vlogs.
No,
I. Yeah, it means stuck on an island. I know, right? Huh? Happy holiday, good. Yeah. Yes. Or vacation, better vacation. See you. Bye.
Hay que aprender a hablar español.
Me hablo español un poco. Bye bye. Hasta luego. Wow.
¿Qué crees que le mandé a la muchacha de los tejuinos a comprar teleras? Yo compré 25 y ella me compró 10.
If I can describe this dish, it is a really good combination of different textures, which is very important for food. Like whenever you're eating, your tongue, your lips, your teeth need to be feeling different things to keep it interesting. So as I said, like the bread, it has a nice crunch on the outside. The inside is very soft. And of course, the beef is a different kind of beef. Like the texture is not the typical little dried out beef that they sell at these fast food chains. Nice and soft, good flavor. Of course, you have the freshness from the tomatoes and the lettuce. And then you can never go wrong with avocado. Come on, like avocado has like this really nice creamy and mellow taste inside that pretty much neutralizes the crunchiness from the bread. So man, and then the nice part is that the hot sauce inside is like, it's not too hot, but it gives a good flavor dimension. So I just love it. So listen to the bread. You can tell the outsides are crunchy, but then you can see, oh, look at that. Oh, that was rude. So you guys might see, like, there are many buses that pass here. And like, I made sure to ask her just now, I was just like, you know, what bus is the one to get to La Playa, to the beach. On this region, I realized a lot of the R6 buses pass by, but she was saying I need to take a R2. Well, the guy at the house did tell me I should take like an R2 or an R15. It's an R2 or R15. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, go home, take a shower, and then just pretty much hop on a bus. Like wherever it takes me, takes me. I have my Google Maps so I can have an idea of where. But yeah, in terms of, there's a lot of transportation here, like a lot of buses passing all the time. If you're Jamaican, more buses than in Jamaica, that's for sure. Yeah, but the food guys, the food was good. One thing that we have to realize and pay attention to is that people are people, meaning that we generally have very similar likes. So the foods are not going to be very different. It would be like having like a burger from, you know, a burger stop in the US or Jamaica or Canada, wherever. But like there are slight variations which really make the dish completely different, you know, and that's a great part of being a global, you know, being a global citizen, where, you know, parts of America, they do take some Mexican styles. Mexico do take some of the American styles and, you know, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool.